Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching to a pro account so you access analytics. This matters because data drives decisions. Choose 1 to 2 niches now and commit. You'll refine topics based on performance. Once done, craft a sharp profile. Use a recognizable photo, one-line bio that states value, and a single link. This immediate setup gives you tools and clarity. It primes your content strategy and enables you to post with intent rather than hoping for random traction. You must design each video to hook fast. Aim for a 0 to 3 second opener that provokes curiosity. Then deliver clear value. Show, explain, demonstrate, or entertain. Keep pacing brisk and visuals bold. Use vertical 9/16 framing and target 15 to 60 seconds so watch time accumulates. Once you publish, analyze retention and iterate. Run a 3-video test, vary the hook, keep the core value, and end with a direct CTA. This method optimizes learnings. You grow by engaging consistently. Reply to comments, stitch or duet aligned creators, and post when your audience is active. Diversify income. Apply for creator fund, pitch brands, add affiliate links, or sell merch once you have proof of performance. If growth stalls, troubleshoot methodically. Check analytics for sudden drops, clear the app cache, pause and re-upload a trimmed version, and vary content format. Sometimes algorithmic freezes resolve after these steps. Make changes one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.